Patents. You gotta love them. So we got some more Microsoft patents that recently got filed, and as always, I always adore these patents because I always think about the what if. Like, what if, Microsoft actually did go through with this and actually gave us these devices and actually, let us be able to enjoy some beautiful devices. I don't know. They fumbled it. But nonetheless, though, this is another foldable phone concept. And again, in the future, potentially this could be another company that comes out of the woodwork and, goes after an idea like this. It can't exactly copy because obviously this is patented. But as you can see right here, we have a Surface Fold with a kickstand. So it says Surface Fold with a kickstand, but it's a Surface phone. So it's a Windows 11 phone pretty much with a kickstand on the back. Now, as you can see from the pictures, I believe this is actually, I don't think it's detachable, but what it does is it has these little rails here that you can slide it so that it can go toward the middle of the phone when it is fully opened. So it's kind of like having a kickstand case on your phone at all times, which, for better for worse, that could work. Potentially. The good thing is, you can see right here with the camera bump, which a lot better than the Surface Duo lineup when it comes to the camera bump size. But this actually makes it so that it's flush. So the whole back is flush, and you can just sit it straight down the table, and it wouldn't wobble, which is kind of cool because it's not always the case with, foldable cell phones. When you put it flat on the table, a lot of times they do wobble. So again, the concept is there. Obviously, listen, at the end of the day, Microsoft had a lot of different ideas. And again, like I said, this one would run Windows 11. So it would be a Windows-based phone, but it wouldn't use Windows OS like in the past. It would pretty much be like a Samsung DeX type of product, except it would be running a full operating system. So, but instead of it being connected to a monitor, it would be on the actual device. So it's like a Surface Pro laptop, the all-in-one, that's a phone. And again, like I said, then you're going to get into the software issues and software problems. We have seen it with the Surface Duo 1 when that phone first came out, right? There's a list of things that would just be probably problematic here, right? But this, of course, is just a concept that Microsoft was kind of thinking about at the time. And, I love the concepts because what if we actually got a Surface Neo and, the rest would have been history. But, hey, sometimes it's not how the cookie crumbles. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one.